Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. Oh my gosh, today I actually didn't plan on making a vlog, but why not? Let's see what I got going on today. I'm trying to make a salad, like this bean salad, and for the past 3 days, this is day 3 in a row, where pretty much half of the city is shut down. There's some sort of holiday going on. Maybe I should know this holiday that's going on, but Friday, Saturday, and today's Sunday, and everything is still shut down. And this morning I have went to 3 stores already to get ingredients to make this salad, and it's just like insane. I'm just not having the best day today just because I'm just getting the runaround. If I would have went to the big store first, I could have got everything in one shot, but I was unsure if the big store was open because majority of the things around here are closed today. But then the problem with going to the big store is farther away, meaning that I would have to bring all of this heavy stuff all the way back. And this place is like a ghost town right now. Like literally, I see like no one walking around, no one on the streets. The stores that I've went to today, really haven't seen anyone in the stores. There hasn't been any lines. What else happened today? So I went to supermarket number 3 and I completely got ripped off. It's kind of my fault, but then at the same time, I don't know, whatever. I'm not really beat up about it, but I went to get like, I think I got a can of beans at this one place and like a tomato and something else, and it came out to be like 169 dinar. So I gave the lady like 500 dinar, and she's supposed to give me back 331 dinar, but she gave me back like 231 dinar, and I really didn't pay it any attention. I just put the money in my pocket and walked out. And then as soon as I stepped outside, I realized that like, yo, she didn't give me all my money. And after you leave the store, it's kind of hard to go back and like tell someone that they didn't give you all your money. So I went back and told her, but of course she just played the cards like, oh, I don't speak English, I don't know what you're talking about. So I was like, whatever, it's only like $2, but it's just kind of annoying when someone like rips you off, or maybe she just didn't know, or maybe she purposely knew, or maybe she purposely did that, or I don't know. But anyway, yo, let's get this video started. So am I turning into a housewife now? Mm-hmm. Why? With all the clothing? I mean, with all the
Everything. You go grocery shopping. You cook. You do laundry.
You guys don't want to hear what she's saying about me.
You hear our shit.
Yeah, I do everything now. Mm-hmm. You got me chopping up parsley in the kitchen. Yeah, you got me making salad and soups and chickens, and yeah. So that's how you open a can. Most of the cans I notice have these tabs, so you don't even need to look for a can opener. That's legit. Where would I be without you?
I've been living alone for a while now.
She's 7. That's good. That's good. That's good enough. That's good enough. I have no idea what type of beans these are. I thought they were chickpeas. I asked the lady at the place, like, are these chickpeas? These are totally not chickpeas, but we'll just make it work anyway. Yeah. Today is like a disaster for me. Like, today's just not my day, yo. These freaking Sundays, I do not like Sundays. Sundays are just not my day. Okay, got everything. Got a pot. And let's mix all this stuff together. Let's add the beans. Some corn. And the veggies. Looks kind of weird to put it all in a pot like this. Yes, 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 this looks, yes, 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 this looks good. Beautiful, colorful. It smells delicious too. Okay, looks like I got my salad made. I'm trying to remember for next time. Looks like I added a lot of tomatoes and a lot of onions. So maybe next time I could use less onions or less tomatoes or more beans to mix it all up. I really wanted to use 3 cans of beans, but instead I used 2 cans of beans and a can of corn. So yeah, I think this should be really, really good. Super cool. Here is the finished product. I forgot how many ingredients I have in here. Let's go through and let's count. Okay, there is cucumber, corn. There's 2 types of beans. There's onions. There's also parsley. There's tomato. And there is a little of seasoning, like taco seasoning sauce. And I did squeeze in a lime to give it a little bit more flavor. So I'm pretty stoked to try this little new creation that I made inspired from YouTube videos. Oh wow, this is really, really good. This is really good. I added some chips and also some of this punch from last night. I don't know if, I'm actually curious to see what this punch looks like from last night. Oh, maybe I should show you guys the footage from last night when we made this. Got about 4 of these bottles of wine. The idea today is we are gonna make some sort of punch where you add wine, you add maybe a little bit of alcohol, and you add something like chopped fruit to this bowl, and we're gonna mix it all together and have some of it for a little weekend party, a little weekend gathering. We made this about 2 weeks ago and it was really, really, really good. It was just really delicious and very refreshing, and it went really, really fast. But today, there's not as many of us, and I'm pretty sure it's still gonna go really, really fast. I wanna make sure we have some ice in the fridge because ice would definitely be our friends. No, I don't see any ice, but for some reason I see candles in the freezer. Yes, candles in the freezer. I think I have some watermelon from earlier today. Yes, yes, yes. We definitely have to add watermelon to this mix. This is gonna be a good mix, a real good mix. This is probably not the correct way to cut watermelon, but you know, this is working out for me. Just easy, and we're going with the flow. Nice and simple. Chop, chop, chop. Okay, let's open up some of these wines. What are you doing over here? Baby. Okay, let's fast forward a little bit. So I just got me some French fries. We just ordered a bunch of food. I don't know where this night's going. I don't know where this video is going. I'm trying to make a video because yeah, that's what I am trying. Anyway. Okay, let's just fast forward the time, and this is what I'm doing now. I'm just like hanging out here, working on some laundry over there. That's what I got going on over here. What y'all got going on over there. Today's video was one of those videos I don't know, I just woke up, tried to have a good day. My day just switched up. It did this, it did that. And then I ended up just still having a good time. Today was still a good day. Sometimes it was highs and sometimes it was lows. Yeah, I'm having a blast. I'm still having a blast. I'm still having a blast. But anyway, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna go run around and do some stuff a little bit later, and I will keep you guys posted. If you guys like the food videos, if you like the food videos on here, let me know in the comments below, because lately I have been doing a lot of cooking here. Like I've been experimenting with this and that and this and that, and I want to share this stuff with you guys if it's something that y'all want to, if it's something y'all want to see. I guess if y'all don't want to see, y'all won't watch. But anyway, I'm out. Peace out, yo.